Sometimes I need a power supply which I can carry in my backpack or which I can use somewhere else where I can't take my bench power supply, like in my PC decks, to power up some Arduino projects or any other project. So in this video I'll show you just how I build that. So without any further delay, let's get started. For the enclosure you will need this 8x4 PVC box, from which I will cut out these 3 screw mounts and also these as well. For power, I am using this old laptop adapter of rating 19 volts and a maximum current of 4.74 ampere. After cutting the mounts, it will sit like this. For the power adapter socket, I have marked and cut holes accordingly. I drill this hole so that while plugging the AC cord, the adapter don't slide back. I am going to remove this LED diffuser and reuse it later in this video. For displaying the volt and current, I am using this volt amp meter and make cutout for it. For turning the output on and off, I am using this switch and makes cutout for it as well. For controlling the voltage and current, I will be using this XL4015 buck converter, which comes with output voltage range from 1.25 volt to 36 volt and a maximum output current of 5 amperes, perfect for this project. Next, I will be removing both these trim pods and replace with these. Let's just quickly solder them and then we need to drill some holes for them as well. This is the constant current status LED which I am going to remove from the board, and using some wire we will extend that and glue it down into the diffuser which I have removed in the past and make cutout for it. Next, I had to make some holes for the banana socket and barrel jack. The barrel jack will provide the full output of the laptop adapter and the banana socket will provide variable output voltage. It's good to double check the output polarity before connecting anything. Next, I will be connecting everything according to the circuit diagram that I have linked in the description. Check that out as well. Feel free to skip this part if you don't want to see how I connect each wire. Connecting the output positive and negative of the adapter to the positive and negative input of the buck converter. Connecting the negative of the adapter to the negative of the barrel socket. Connecting the volt amp meter negative wire to the negative of the adapter and positive to the positive, and volt sense yellow wire to the output positive of the buck converter. Soldering the current sense connector black wire to the output negative of the buck converter, then the red wire to the flag of the negative output, and then screw it to the socket. Soldering one wire from the switch to the positive output flag and another wire from switch to the positive output of the buck converter and screw it in place. Lastly, connecting positive from adapter to the switch and one wire from the switch to the positive of barrel socket. Connecting the meter connector in place, tightening up everything and closing the enclosure down. Putting the knobs on and plugging the AC cord, and it's up and running. Testing the control knobs and everything is working fine. So it can do 19.4 volt at its output of maximum current of 5 ampere. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then consider subscribing and hit the notification bell and smash that like button. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.